In this video, I want to share with you 10 ideogram prompts for Father's Day. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those Father's Day prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is Monday, May 13th, 4:36 p.m., and I'm sitting at 54 sales. $66 in royalties, and that is going to put me at 859 sales for the month. And let me turn the brightness up. $1,296 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Next month it will be 19 actually. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the next big holiday that we have coming up is Father's Day. And if you haven't been on Merch by Amazon for a while, you know, Father's Day is probably just one of the biggest niches year round. If it wasn't for Christmas, Father's Day would probably be the biggest. I've done very well with Father's Day. I think the reason why I do well, because usually I don't really do that well for holidays, but Father's Day I do well because it's easy for me at least to like cross niche and niche down. But the point I'm trying to make here is just a really big holiday, so it's a great time on Merch by Amazon. Now these 10 prompts I actually uploaded onto Gumroad into a Word document, so you can actually just download it for free. So I'll have a link in the description. 10 Father's Day prompts. You can see the price here is $0. All you have to do is click on, you just type 0 right here, and then you just say, I want this. I don't get your email. I won't email you anything. So it's completely free. Now, if you want, you can like leave a donation of like $1 or like $3 or whatever, but that is not necessary or mandatory. It's completely free. Just type in 0 here and click I want this, and you'll get the prompts. Just easier that way, because you know when I've tried to get prompts off of YouTube before, you have to pause the video and then type it out. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So this just makes it a lot easier for you to just copy and paste. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the first prompt. The first Father's Day prompt, and is this one right here, which is our first Father's Day together. And here's the prompt using on Ideogram. So right here, I won't read it. Well, I'll just maybe read the first sentence. A whimsical and humorous cartoon illustration celebrating Father's Day. One thing that I've noticed with the prompts is that I've gotten better results when I add in like the words like cartoon and illustration instead of like graphic design. For some reason it looks better. And then I always click on illustration, this button right here. That is going to help. And you can see, I mean, look how good this is. In my opinion, this looks really good. Our first Father's Day, very clean, very simple. Here's another one that also turned out pretty good as well. This one, good, but looks like more like a book cover. And then this one, I think is pretty good as well, but the and symbol is messed up. One thing that I'd recommend here is to niche it down and put the year. So if you were to say our first Father's Day together and then put 2024 right underneath together, I think that would work really well. But this is the first prompt that I have for you in the Word file. And then the second Father's Day prompt that I have for you is this classic design that we have seen before. It's Best Dad by Par. This is a really good design because you're cross-niching dad with golf. It's also a play on words. Instead of saying Best Dad by Far, it's Best Dad by Par. Par is a golf word. So this is what the design looked like right here. And this time I actually used the magic prompt. So you can write a prompt, and then when you do the prompt or hit enter, Ideogram will give you a magic prompt. And the magic prompt is just a little more detailed, and so sometimes I like to use that one. But this looks pretty good right here. I also got this one. I'm not too sure about the green and the sun. That looks pretty good as well. That one kind of messed up with the 2 golf clubs, but I think this is the best one right here. So a really good one for Father's Day. And I also checked for the trademark for Best Dad by Far. I checked the trademark for all of these, but you know, you never want to just trust anybody on the internet when it comes to your Merch by Amazon account. So always just do your due diligence and research. Obviously, I want to put out, you know, content that will keep your account safe. But again, I am human. You know, I can make a mistake. So just always just, you know, do your best to keep your account safe and do your research. But this is the second prompt that I have for you, Best Dad by Par. Okay, so this is what the third prompt looks like right here. Real cool grandpa, kind of similar to the last design where we're cross-niching fishing with grandpa. Grandpa is kind of like a sub-niche of Father's Day because grandpas are also dads, obviously, as well. And it's the play on words, real, and you know, it's a fishing word. It has to do with, I believe, the cast or the damn pole that you use to go fishing with. But right here, we're going to see this is what the prompt looks like. And we're going to see that again I used the magic prompt, and it has illustration in it, which is really important. I also did this same prompt, but instead just changing it a little bit with a vibrant graphic design. This is what the prompt is right here, and you can see the difference. In my opinion, it just looks better when you use like the words cartoon and illustration. That's just my opinion. Here's what some of the other ones look like. I also made it look like it was smiling. I thought that was good, but these look pretty good in my opinion. Just very clean. I think that one, and what was it? Yeah, this one right here is the best. And this is what it looks like if you just do like a graphic design basically, which I think also works, you know. These ones are pretty good too. Actually, that's really good right there. So you just have to kind of play and choose with it. I like that with the sunset. Would have been nice if they had gotten that other ray right there, but that looks good. You might be able to remix it. Let's just go ahead and remix it and see what comes up. This stuff, it gets kind of addictive once you start going down the rabbit hole. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, 91, 99, here we go. Okay, so wow, there we go. This one looks good right here, like that one with the teeth. But that is going to be the third prompt I have for you, Real Cool Grandpa. And then the next Father's Day prompt I have for you is Sorry This Beat Is Taken. This is another classic one that we see sell every year. It's taking basically dad and cross-nation it with guys that have beards. This is the prompt that I use, and this came out very good in my opinion. Sorry This Beat Is Taken, very clean. You know, I don't even know if you need to upscale. Now, it is recommended that you upscale every one, but I think just like that looks pretty good. And this is another one, which I think will work as well. This one, I don't know why it has that lock right there. There must be some type of word in the prompt. And then this one, I don't know what it was thinking on this one, but this one definitely looks very good, and this one could also work as well. And then the fifth prompt that I have for you is this one right here, where we're taking softball and we're crossing any shit with Father's Day or Dad, and it's my favorite softball player calls me Papa. You can switch out this word Papa for Dad or Papi or other ways that you want to say the word Dad. Also Grandpa, other words like maybe Abuelo also, you know, if you want to use it for Spanish. But I mean, this looks really good in my opinion. If you just get rid of the white background, I think they did a really good job combining, making the glove look like the American flag. That looks good. The only kind of bad part is the M looks a little funny, but it's not that big of a deal. The other ones I don't think turned out that great. I mean, maybe this could work right here, but these ones look kind of weird. But definitely this one works, and this one as well. So that's the fifth one, and these are in order. This is actually the, well, I won't show it, but I'm going in order of how the Word document is that you will be receiving if you decide to download the document right here. But that is going to be the fifth prompt that I have for you. So here's what the design looks like for the sixth prompt, another classic one where it says they call me Papa because partner in crime. It makes me sound like a bad influence. Good design because it is funny. Again, you could also switch the word up, Papa for Dad, Grandpa, etc., etc. But I was actually pretty impressed with this one. The only thing I just noticed that it messed up, so we're probably gonna have to remix it. They forgot the I right here. But for the most part, you know, this looks really good. It's all like lined up correctly in a nice rectangle, and there's basically no graphic, you know, no cartoon illustrations. It's basically just all text. The only thing, I actually just noticed this right now while I was recording it, but that looks pretty darn good. If it just got the I right there, you can remix it and you can play with it. The other ones, let's see, I don't think that one, it looks okay, but doesn't really have too much style. What about this one? Okay, so this one looks pretty good, but they messed up this word right here. It looks like because, which is kind of weird to say. But this one looks really good right here. Just too bad they didn't get the I. Let's go ahead and just remix it and see if we can get that fixed. No, still not getting it right. Well, just go ahead, play around with it, maybe switch up some words. Maybe you can get it better than I can. And here's the design for the seventh prompt. This was actually my favorite one. That's why I actually used it on the thumbnail for the for Gumroad. But right here, we're going to see Crypto Dad. I mean, this looks awesome, at least in my opinion. The only thing is that it kind of messed up the R right here, so probably have to maybe remix it. But this looks really good in my opinion. And if you were to upscale this, it'd probably look even better. I also thought, no, not that one. This one right here also does a good job. You can see here they got the R right, so this could also work as well. But I don't know, for some reason I just thought this looked really cool, the way they have the two colors like this, the gradient. Really good job. You have to admit, or I at least have to admit, you know, this AI stuff is scary good. But that is going to be the seventh prompt I have for you. Here is the design for the eighth prompt. It is Dadicorn, which is a play on words, so it's like cross-nation dad and unicorn. And I remember when I first got onto Merch by Amazon, this unicorn design style kind of took over. This was actually more popular than the retro sunset when I first got on, and it's still actually selling. So right here we're going to see what some of the other ones look like. That one's kind of messed up. I don't think that works. The eyes need to be below. But I believe, well, that one looks pretty good as well. But I think this was the best one right here. Probably look better if it was on a white background. I probably should have put a white background. One of the things that you can do is you can actually come in here. Actually, that's the wrong prompt. You click on this plus button. Is this it? Yeah, there we go, unicorn. So right here, a vibrant design on a white background. So you can just change up the prompt if you want, and you can switch things out, change the words, make it your own style if you like. But this will just give you like a good base or foundation to start with. But that, I believe, is the 8th prompt I have for you. And then here's the design for the 9th prompt, and I was really happy with this one. I mean, look how clean this looks. They call me El Capitan. I make ship happens, which is kind of funny. Good play on words. Here's some of what the other ones look like, which I think could also work as well. But that first one I think was the best. This is kind of weird with the people there. But that's the one that I first showed you. Maybe even change out maybe some of the text, the color of the text to white. And again, like I was saying, you can just come in here and switch that up. Whoops, I keep doing that. So come in here and change out the text. Right here it says, where is it? We're just going to have to find it. But here you can change the color of the text to the color that you would like. And then this last one, that one looks pretty good as well. But this is pretty cool, this AI stuff. But that's going to be the 9th prompt I have. And this is another design or prompt that I was really happy with. Tractor dad, like a regular dad, but cooler. And to be honest, some of these designs that Ideogram is making are better than the ones that I even saw on Amazon. Right here, with some of the other ones, like, I don't know if this will work. Maybe you can make it work with some type of frame from Canva. I don't know if the rainbow colors will do well with this niche, so I might have to switch that up. I think it might have rainbow colors in the prompt. But right here, I mean, that looks really good. In my opinion, it's got the distressed feel. Tractor looks really good. This design style sells very well. But that is going to be the 10th prompt that I have for you. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these. Oh, I got a sale on Etsy. Let me know what you guys think about these designs and these prompts. So kind of funny, the sale I just got on Etsy is actually a Father's Day design. So it looks like people are already starting to buy Father's Day designs. I believe it is going to be in July, if I'm not mistaken. But to get back to the video here, so again, this is going to be free if you want to download it, so feel free. Don't need to give me your email or anything like that. But now I just want to talk about a couple of resources that I offer on how to get sales like this. The first thing is that I offer, let me just go to my channel. I probably should have done this first. In this video, I'll pause the video there. If you click this join button right here, you can become a member. And there's 2 tiers that I'm offering. The bronze is basically just if you want to support my content, you want to get loyalty badges and priority reply to comments. But the real value is going to be in the silver. I will be offering a gold here. That's going to be coming out in next video. But right now, the silver is going to get you 4 videos a month, 1 video a week. Each video will come out on Monday morning at 6 a.m. and it's basically going to be a video about niches, 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches and phrases. And then every day I give you guys like a market update in a post. So you get a members only post, just like the members only videos. And the posts are basically going to be about like a market update about any trending niches that I see going on. So since I've been doing this, I think 3 out of the 4 days I've seen trending niches and I make a post about them, and I also offer a prompt with it as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention in the members only videos where I send you those videos that are like 5 to 10 niches, each niche also comes with a prompt as well. So that way you'll be able to create the design for the niche. It's just gonna make things really easy for you. You'll be basically given the information about what niche, and then you'll have a prompt so you can use that. And with Ideogram, you get 25 free prompts a day without even have to pay anything. Now me, I do have the, I forget which one it is, but I pay 20 bucks a month to Ideogram so that I can use some of the benefits like having my designs private, things like that. But basically, silver is going to get you those 4 videos a month, 1 a week, with the niches and the prompts. And then you also get a daily post about market update for trending niches. All right. Then I also have a course on Gumroad for Merch by Amazon. Now this course is for beginners. So if you're a beginner to Merch by Amazon, like if you're in tier 10, under tier 100, or you're just struggling to get sales, you're making less than like $100 a month, I would highly recommend that you check out this course. I want to thank everybody that's been purchasing from it. But basically, I'm going to teach you what I know. I've been on Merch by Amazon for 7 years now. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I'm waiting for a tier up. You see right here, I got all my slots filled, so it should be getting tiered up soon here. Now, I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good, 105 sales, 153. I'm averaging over $100 a day, so 124, 105, 90, 86, 113, 75. Today's probably going to be another $100 day as well. So like I said, if you're interested, the link to those to this course is going to be in the description. And then if you just want to sign up for my free content, you can just subscribe and become a member. I put out videos on a regular basis like this right here, just talking about low competition niches, trending niches, prompts, anything to do with like print on demand, mainly for like Merch by Amazon. I also do Etsy videos every now and then, but for the most part, it's about Merch by Amazon. All right, I'm gonna shut up because I'm talking too much. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.